In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and verify your ads.txt file on Shopify. First, a quick overview. The ads.txt file is a simple text file that tells ad platforms which sellers are authorized to sell your ad inventory. Having it in place can improve ad transparency and help avoid unauthorized reselling. We're going to upload the file to your Shopify store, copy its URL, and then confirm it's accessible on your domain. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin. Once you're in, navigate to your store's file library. Depending on your Shopify interface, you'll find it either under Content, then Files, or under Settings, then Files. Both lead to the same file manager where you can store assets for your store. Click the option to upload a file and select the ads.txt file from your computer. Make sure the file is a plain text file, named exactly ads.txt in lowercase, with the .txt extension. If you created it yourself, avoid rich text formatting. Use a plain text editor so that no hidden characters are introduced. When the upload completes, you'll see the file listed in the Files page. Click into it and copy the full URL shown there. This is the direct link to the file hosted by Shopify. Keep this link handy. You'll use it for verification and sharing with platforms if needed. Next, open a new browser tab and go to your store's domain followed by /ads.txt. For example, yourstorename.com ads.txt. When the page loads, confirm that the content matches what you uploaded. You should see the exact text of your ads.txt entries, with each authorized seller listed on its own line. If the content doesn't appear right away, try refreshing, opening an incognito or private window, or clearing your browser cache. Sometimes, local caching can delay what you're seeing. Also, double-check that your domain is correctly pointing to your Shopify store and that there are no redirects interfering with the request to /ads.txt. Once you can see the correct content at your storename.com ads.txt, you're essentially done. Keep in mind that ad platforms like AdSense may take 24 to 48 hours to fully detect and verify your updated ads.txt file. That delay is normal, so